Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something very nice and easy for very quickly lunch. I'm going to make a pork fillet wrapped in the streaky smoked bacon. Absolutely delicious. We need just a nice pork fillet. Ask your butcher to trim it nicely, and some streaky bacon, salt, pepper. I'm gonna use some fresh rosemary, garlic, and I'm gonna cook it in. I'm gonna use the butter. What we have to do, the part more complicated is wrap in the bacon the fillet, or you use some cling film. I prepared this before, just to wrap easy. Take your streaky bacon, do like that, and by knife just spread it. It's coming more easy. More bacon, try to put all the same like this, and again by knife, yeah, and continue like that until you don't have enough to, example, cover your fillet. We're gonna need another 3-4 slices here, and when you do that, I show you the next step. Okay guys, what we need is this, because cover all our fillet. Now it's time to move everything. I already have my pot on is on the gas because we're very hot, and now we do this easy. Take this off very tight. Just make sure it's very tight, and it's done. Now I don't want to use all because it's gonna be too thick. Now take a knife, cut it. Of course, this bacon gonna be left. We use for the breakfast or some other cooking. Okay, to be honest, I didn't put the salt because the bacon is already salty. But if you like, you can do it, okay? Anyway, now we start cooking, okay? Gonna be around 3.5 minutes per side, all the side. Butter inside. The fillet going in, okay? And now gonna be 3.5 minutes for this side, and later we do all the way, okay? And I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, now it's time to turn it, you see? From this side, start with very nice and crispy. Now, in this moment, we add some rosemary, and this garlic. This is just for the flavor. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe to the channel, check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now we try to cook all the way, gonna be like this, and see you later when it's ready to try, okay? Okay guys, the pork fillet wrapped in the bacon is ready. It's already 10 minutes, it's out. What I want to say, leave him to rest at least 10-15 minutes, and later it is ready to go. You can eat this with salad, with mashed potato, with roast potato, with vegetable. Yesterday I did some very nice roast vegetable on the barbecue. I have some leftover, I wanna eat with that. But it's up to you, or you can eat just like that. Now we try to cut it and we see how it is. You see? Oh look at that, it's perfect. Oh wow, I will, still hot, I will try it. Guys, sorry, but it's absolutely delicious. What can I say? It's a masterpiece. 10-15 minutes is ready. You can eat 2-3 with something else. Is this, guys, the pork fillet wrapped in the bacon. Look at that, super nice. Look at that. Is this? If you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.